Chapter 6. How does understanding differ from factual knowledge? Well, on page 127, I found that when we understand, we stress that it involves the grasp of big ideas as reflected in thought and in effective transfer. When a student understands, they should be able to write and complete sentences. Factual knowledge, on the counterpart, is a straightforward fact. The purpose isn't abstract or transferable. On page 132, I also found that an understanding makes a claim using facts. It's someone's conclusion based on evidence and logic. Facts are the grasp for understanding. They're data. To get fact requires only what we grasp the meaning of the words or see the data. An understanding is an inference drawn from facts. And then the second question is on page 141, the authors quote Piaget as saying to understand is to invent. I feel like for my subject area, which is English, to understand to invent, a good example could probably be like if a student is reading a passage and they as they're reading the passage, they must find the proof for the appropriate answer throughout the passage. They must invent the knowledge needed to find the correct answer through proving it by reading throughout the passage. So therefore, I feel like the student is, inventing their thought process. So through them finding their thought process through the correct answer, they kind of invented this pathway for understanding. And the last question for chapter 6 is cite the characteristics of generalization. On page 130, I found that a generalization is defined formally as concepts stated in relationships. Universal generalization have the same characteristics as a concept, which are broad and abstract, generally timeless, universal in application, and represented by different examples.